Sup? What's up, y'all? Can you make your own sneaker soap? I don't know, bro. Well, here's the thing. Sneaker soap is expensive. It seems to be one of those products that are specialized, so companies feel like they can overcharge for it and you feel like you need it, right? But it's just soap. And these are just sneakers. I watched a YouTube video, and if I find it again, I'll link it in the description because that guy deserves credit, where he studied the main ingredients in most of the sneaker cleaners and came to a conclusion that mostly what was in them was a detergent, coconut oil, and jojoba oil. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Jojoba oil? Jojoba oil? Anyway. For the last like 6 months, I've been doing my own thing. Now, I did purchase the kit from the main company that sells sneaker cleaning goods. And you know who I mean. They're not sponsoring me. You know, you gotta give them a shout out because they're kind of the industry standard most people consider. And that is Rejuvenator, right? So I have my Rejuvenator brushes. I don't have their soap anymore. I kept their brushes, but I decided instead of forking over a ton of money to buy more soap from them to try to make my own based off of what this guy said. And I've had good success. So I'm gonna show you the very non-scientific way that I put this stuff together. Now here's the idea. Okay, first of all, I have water here set to 60 degrees Celsius. It's hot. It's not boiling, but it's hot. It's because if I don't use hot water, then the coconut oil is just gonna congeal. It's not gonna mix in well with the water. I'll put that in first. That's probably good. Now, my very scientific method of putting in coconut oil. This is very scientific, okay? I want you guys to really pay attention. Do it exactly like that, okay? Exactly. Now, I take my hardest brush here and I mix that in there. I want it nice and mixed up. I do it first so I can see it. Once you get the soap in there, all the bubbles are gonna cover it up. So I wanna make sure it's nice and mixed up. All right, jojoba oil. Please leave a comment below and let me know if I'm pronouncing that right. I don't even look it up. I used to call it jojoba oil and people were making fun of me, so I call it jojoba oil because I think that's what it's supposed to be, but I don't know. Jojoba? Is it jojoba or jojoba? Or jojoba, like I say it, because I'm a dumbass. Whatever. You put that about that much in, which is I'm not measuring. I'm just making sure that there's some in there, okay? Now here's the idea. The great John Manalo has taught me and taught all of us that you don't use regular dish detergent for shoes. Why? Well, it takes out the moisture in the composite leather, making it dry, so it messes it up. The idea here is that we are replenishing what this takes out moisture-wise from the composite leather with this coconut oil and this jojoba oil. That's the idea. So I just put enough so that I can make some suds. I want to make sure it's nice and sudsy. Agitate it, try to find out if it's a Celtics fan. Yo man, Celtics suck, bro. Celtics suck! It's agitated. Okay, we got some suds going on. So these are one of the first pair of reps that I reviewed. These are basically my everyday shoes. They're the most comfortable. One of my worst reviews ever, but one of the best shoes that I've ever received, ever. So these are PK Batch 700s. I'm gonna take the laces off. Definitely gonna forget how it's supposed to be laced. This is a boost insole. I use these because I'm an old man and I need them. This is a planner insert. Okay, anybody have kids? This is foam shit, and it sticks to everything. Don't buy that foam shit. But also don't get too mad at your kids, cause they're gonna do kid shit. They're gonna do kid shit. I did kid shit, you did kid shit. And kid shit is making big ass messes. And you don't understand why they're so big, and they're fun to make. Let's be honest, messes are fun to make. Now, if you've seen any sneaker cleaning video, the rest is just gonna be the same. The only difference is I am using soap that we made together. Is that the soft one? Yeah, it's a soft one. Let's do the soft shit first. Now I wear this shoe every day in the house. This is my house shoe. Wearing your shoes in the house is a totally American thing. I get it, guys. Anybody from any other country, I know you guys think that that's the weirdest shit because shoes are dirty as fuck. And you're right. I can't argue with that. I never used to always wear my shoes in the house, but I forgot to put these insoles in here. I have plantar fasciitis in my feet, and it hurts real bad when I walk just in socks. So I need some kind of foot thing. And I'm a sneakerhead, so, you know, could I wear some kind of like special slippers or some shit? Yeah, but I'm a sneakerhead. I'm not doing that. Fuck that. I'm wearing heat in the house then. If I have to wear shoes, I'm wearing some motherfucking heat. Bitches. So this is probably a bad example of a shoe that you would really not want to use dish soap on because there's not a whole lot of composite leather on these. There is some though. There's some here in the lace line, and that tip is sort of like a suede kind of. Also the black part. Actually, there is quite a bit of composite leather here. There's just a lot of cotton too. Use the softer bristles for the softer parts. The medium and hard bristles for the hard parts. I bought a separate brass brush that I'll use for the bottom first, and then I'll use the hard bristle brush for the bottom. But I just want to get all that shit off first. Yeah, see, I use, this is the brass bristle. It's getting all those whack ass foam, fucking styrofoam shits, whatever the fuck that shit is. Can't be mad at her. She's just having fun. I'll show a picture. I record this stuff in the basement, and she plays in the basement, my 4-year-old. So I'm doing my on-foot shots for my YouTube thumbnail for my Strangelove video, and I'm holding my cat, one of my cats, because he's being a pain in the ass, and he likes to mess with the background stuff. So I have to hold him and try to take the shot. I take all the shots, and there's foam. There's foam. There's foam on them. I didn't notice until post. I had to do the best I could with some other shots that I had. The best shot that I wanted to have though, I couldn't use because there was fucking foam balls on the damn shoe. Fuck you, dirt. All right, y'all, I did both shoes. I also soaked the laces. Now I'm gonna do something I never did before. I'm gonna put my money where my mouth is. Talked all this shit about how I don't use Rejuvenator's soap anymore because it's so expensive, but I still got their detergent that I was about to use for the washing cycle. And I'm like, you know what? I'm only doing that because I have it, okay? But what happens when I run out? Am I gonna fork over all that money? I'll put my money where my mouth is. This is gonna be a first for me. We'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna do the smallest amount of that shit. Oh, damn it, I forgot to put the water in. It's gonna be just like mad sudsy now. Bloop. Very scientific. You know me. I'm pretty much Bill Nye. You know, I mean, people get us confused all the time. This water is hot as balls. I'm trying to be fucking cool and act like it's not burning the shit out of my fingers because this is a video, but it's burning the shit out of my fingers. Ho-hoba, J to the O-O, J to the O-O, B-A-O-I-L. No? Alright, forget y'all. And then I'm gonna use some of this versatile stain remover, because why not? Because I have it. I'm gonna use the smallest amount though that it has on the line there. There we go. Boop. Mix that up real nice. I'm gonna put this in the wash as if it were the detergent. I am going to use the bag that I got from Rejuvenator when I purchased the kit. Right. One thing I learned about this fucking bag, it only fits one shoe. Tried shoving 2 shoes in here, man. You're not getting them clean. You need 2 bags. So they want me to buy another bag, huh? That's what you want? I'm gonna buy another fucking bag? Yeah, now it's all frayed and shit. I don't know if you can see that. It's afraid. It's afraid of me. Want me to buy another bag, huh? Well, I don't remember where I got this. It says the real on it. This is my other fucking bag, and I've been using it and it's been fine. So fuck you and your fucking tiny ass bag. All right, let's go. All right. Both of these motherfuckers, put them in this motherfucker. You know what I mean? Do it like that, right? Put them in the washing machine. That's how you wash them. See, I'm very smart. Cold wash, motherfuckers. I do cotton normal, and I have a special cold wash button because my shit is special. Hey, that's wild. I see it blinking on here, but it's not blinking in real life. Whoa. Okay, cold wash. I hit start. Then I go do other stuff. Alright, the shit is done. Another main reason I wanted to clean these is because I'm doing an unboxing today, and that unboxing will have a pair of budget 700s in there, and I just wanted to do a comparison. Let's take a look. Mostly nice and clean. Feels good. There's still some of my daughter's clay did not come off. It's all right. I mean, I'm gonna put these back on my feet and I'm gonna step on the same floor with my daughter's stuff. Came out fine. Let's take a look at the other one. Of course, I tied it 75 times. Real tied it. Yeah, again, the damn, that's just, it is what it is with my daughter's foam. No foam in the upper though. Looks nice. Looks good. I think looks pretty good. Very saturated, very wet. You always want to use cold cycle, and you do not want to put these in the dryer. Do I know why? No, I don't know why, but it's what I've heard a million people say that I trust, so I will just leave it at that. I mean, you can experiment if you want, but I ain't the one. So, gotta try these. What the hell, man? I have to do my unboxing video in like half an hour. These things are soaked. Do I want to show a soaked pair of sneakers on my unboxing video? For the people? No, it's not something I want to do. I'm gonna dry them. This little doohickey is a shoe dryer and it has ozone. Boop. Just pull it up like that and then put a shoe on like that. Oh, these shoes are heavy for it. It's kind of funny. If you can't handle one shoe, you're gonna handle two. Oh, well, they're just sitting. That's fine. It's got these vents there. I don't know if you can see them. Yeah, right there. I'll show you how to work it. This is not sponsored. This is just something I use. All right, so drying. Ozone. 20 minutes. And that's that. Just wait 20 minutes for the shit to be up. Then I got clean sneakers, clean uppers, okay, clean midsoles. They're my everyday shoes though. Those outsoles, those bottoms, with the foam and my daughter's Play-Doh and shit in there, I can spend another 20 minutes cleaning that stuff out, but you know what's gonna happen. I'm just gonna step in it again, so, you know what I'm saying? Fuck it. I hope this was helpful. I hope this saves you money. Leave a comment below. Let me know if I'm a dickhead. You know, I might be. This might be all bullshit. But it's worked for me. I mean, my sneakers have been clean, so I don't know what to tell you.